Hello, friends. So, we have all heard of the Big Bang Theory. But how many of us know about the genius who first conceived it? So, friends, this is the story of George Lemaitre, the trailblazer who dared to explain the origins of our universe, and someone who succeeded where even Einstein stumbled. In 1915, Einstein's groundbreaking theory of general relativity sent shockwave through the entire scientific community. This theory described how massive objects wrap the fabric of space and time to create gravity. Now, just 2 years later, in 1917, Einstein attempted to use his theory to decipher the shape of universe. The mathematics of relativity, however, is not that simple. So Einstein made several critical assumptions to simplify his equation. First, that the universe is uniform and isotropic on large scales. Second, it has a fixed mass. And third, it is static over time. So this came to be known as Einstein's static model of the universe. But there was a glaring problem with this model. A static universe should collapse under its own gravitational pull, a contradiction that Einstein could not ignore, which sadly meant that Einstein's universe could not exist. Now, to patch this flaw, like we all do, he introduced the infamous cosmological constant, a tweak to force his model to fit reality. However, in 1929, the discovery of the expanding universe forced Einstein to eat his own words, calling the cosmological constant the biggest blunder of his career. This is where the mighty Einstein had failed. Yet, before the universe expansion was observed, two brilliant minds, Alexander Friedmann and George Lemaitre, had already cracked the code. They independently showed that Einstein's equation could be solved for an expanding universe, a solution confirmed by observation in 1929. And Lemaitre did not stop there. George was the first to predict that the universe expansion must be accelerating, a theory vindicated decades later in 1990s. He also proposed that if the universe is expanding, it must have sprung from a single primeval atom at a finite point in time, which was also proven true by the accidental discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation in 1965. This radical idea laid the foundation of what we now know as the Big Bang Theory. George Lemaitre's brilliance did not go unnoticed. He received numerous awards and accolades, and his legacy was immortalized with nomination for the Nobel Prize in both physics and chemistry. In fact, in his honor, a moon crater, a spacecraft, and even a small planet was named after him. He wasn't just a scientist, he was a revolutionary who forever changed our understanding of the cosmos. His legacy continues to shine as brightly as the stars that he helped us to understand. On this note, we are ending this video. Show some love and let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And share and subscribe for more such videos.